I'm just nervous about my shoes getting all muddy and falling.
You literally just almost fell.
That would have sucked, dude. I would have been so pissed.
This poor guy. Should I ask him if he wants a ride? Oh yeah, it's a little chilly out still. It's 57 degrees, so I thought it'd be nice, but when you're going like fucking 80 on a bike, oh, it's fucking freezing. So I got this windbreaker on. This shit fucking it like reflects the cold, keeps me nice and warm. But at least the sun's out. If the sun wasn't out right now, this would definitely be a lot colder. The sun's keeping me warm. But just on a quick little cruise to meet up Steve. He wanted to just, you know, go to the woods, take a little stroll with me, you know. I think he's gonna ask me out or something. But it's definitely probably the last nice day we're gonna get, so I'm trying to go out and enjoy this shit. Soon it's gonna be cold ass winter. I'm gonna be inside every day doing shit. That's gonna fucking suck. You doing, big boy? Not too bad though, honestly. Plus, once my bike warms up, my bike always gets so fucking hot and it just straight like fucking burns my legs. So once that happens too, I'll be nice and warm. That's why I kind of hated riding in the summer. In the summer, shit was bad. I was wearing shorts and stuff because my legs would be fucking cooking with this bike. This bike just gets so hot. And if I'm not going like really fast on the expressway or some shit, like if I'm just cruising like this, it definitely gets like way too hot. Damn, look at all this traffic. Oh, it's a lot of traffic. That fucking sucks. Good thing I'm going this way. Oh, fuck, there's traffic up ahead of me, too. Oh, whatever. I'll just have to scooch right through. It doesn't matter to me. It kind of sucks that I just started getting into this moto vlogging right when the winter's coming. I might be able to get like a couple more like rides in, you know, but I'm gonna have a fucking long ass break till next year when I can post more videos. Damn, why am I just catching every red light? Am I catching every red light, or does every red light just want to catch me? Do I want to wait behind all this traffic? Oh, not really. I really don't. So I'm just gonna cut everybody. Cause why the fuck not? Who the fuck's that? Look at that little cutie. Oh my god. You got a six pack?
No, I got a fat pack.
It's a little chub pack.
Yeah, it's a little chunky.
I'm a little wrinkly too down there, dude. That's like probably the hardest part to lose.
You want to see my new cool shirt?
We're about to go through the fucking woods. Yeah.
I bought it for like 20 bucks. It is kind of cool though.
Oh, AC/DC?
Yeah,
That's kind of cool.
Right? That's what I'm saying. 20 bucks, dude.
I fucking love this bike. Look how this fucking clean this bitch looks. And the opposite of clean is going to be these shoes after I go through these woods right now, because it's probably muddy in there. It's probably going to be very muddy in these woods.
Oh yeah.
No balls, you won't walk on this.
On this?
Yeah. No, this right here.
Oh no, I won't.
I'll do it. I'll do it, bro. Fucking.
I'll fucking do it, bro. You want me to, I'll do it. Oh, there's a stink bug up here.
Do they actually smell?
I never smashed one, so.
Oh. Bro, you know what I was watching the other day?
Did that scare you?
Huh?
Did that scare you?
What?
I said that scare you? What were you watching?
The video of when we were at the Grand Canyon, and then at the last second I go like, blah, like that or some shit. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Which way?
I didn't even know that. That was funny as fuck.
You did that the other day too at the The one video where we were like,
Oh, at the
split jumping spot?
Yeah. That was funny as fuck, dude. I started cracking up.
You always gotta put some little shit like that in there.
Uh-huh.
Dude. Parkour, hardcore parkour. You can't clear this. Oh, that was actually pretty clean.
That was clean as fuck.
I thought it was gonna be muddier in here, but
Yeah, it's actually not that bad. I'm getting like vertigo.
really?
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. If you fall, I'll get on camera. We'll get some TikTok views or some shit if you fall. Why are you moaning?
I'm scared.
I was watching the rock climbing video.
Were you standing up the whole time?
Yeah. Shirtless fat boy rock climbing.
Yeah.
You were like, we're rock climbing. You're literally moaning.
Like that?
Yeah. I'm like, what the fuck?
I don't remember that.
I was like, why is he moaning?
Shirtless fat boy rock climbing. That was scary as fuck.
We did get to some scary parts in Arizona where when we were rock climbing.
Fuck yeah. There's a fence up here.
It's okay. It's like knocked down.
Oh. Kind of nice how these roots are though.
Yeah, these roots definitely help you get down.
Fuck yeah. I was at Marshall's a couple weeks ago and I almost bought myself some hiking boots. I should have.
I don't know. I feel like hiking boots don't help.
What do you mean?
You should just get some Sperry's.
Sperry's?
Dude, I'm telling you, these Sperry's are like the best hiking shoes I've ever had.
Get out of here.
I swear to God. And rock climbing too.
Oh.
They have really good grip.
Just like your butthole?
Oh yeah, my ball is in really good grip. This log has been knocked down here for so fucking long.
I don't think anyone's coming to pick it up.
I meant like it hasn't like fallen apart or anything. Like I've been coming there for probably like 8 years.
Should we carve our names in it?
We could.
We should.
Do you have a knife?
No. I have keys.
Well, how the fuck are we gonna do it? I mean, yeah. If we were weed smokers, we'd be smoking right now. But we're not. We're good little boys.
Yeah. Like, bro, so like some shirts I can wear an XL, this is a medium, and just because I knew the measurements, it fits perfect. And it's like a nice interior.
Smells good too.
Yeah, seriously, I can't stop smelling it.
All right, let's hit this bitch.